Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been thinking about starting your very own online business but don't know where to begin, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down the entire process step by step. No fluff, no jargon. Just a clear roadmap from zero to launch. Let's dive in. First things first, find your niche. Ask yourself, what are you passionate about? What problems can you solve? Your niche should be something you love, but also something that people are searching for and willing to spend money on. Use tools like Google Trends, Answer the Public, or even YouTube itself to explore demand. Next, choose a business model. There are many ways to make money online. Here are a few popular ones: dropshipping, digital products like eBooks or courses, freelancing, affiliate marketing, and subscription services. Pick one that matches your strengths and your lifestyle. Now it's time to build your brand. This includes choosing a business name, designing a logo, and setting up your social media presence. Use Canva for design, Namich.com to check domain and social availability, and stay consistent with colors, fonts, and tone. Branding isn't just how you look, it's how people feel when they interact with your business. Let's talk about your online home base, your website. You don't need to be a tech expert to build one. Shopify is great for e-commerce. For content-based sites, WordPress is a solid choice. And for beginners, Wix or Squarespace can be really helpful. Make sure your site is mobile-friendly, fast, and clearly tells visitors what you offer. Now you need a way to make money. That means setting up your sales system. You'll need product pages, a payment processor like Stripe or PayPal, an email list builder like MailChimp or ConvertKit, and don't forget about upsells and downsells. You want a smooth experience from the first click to checkout. With your store ready, it's time to get traffic. No visitors means no sales. You can start with SEO or search engine optimization. Social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube are also great. Paid ads on Facebook or Google can drive traffic too. Don't overlook influencer marketing and email marketing. Start with one or two methods and grow from there. Don't spread yourself too thin. The last step is all about data. What's working, what's not? Use tools like Google Analytics and Hotjar. A/B testing with landing pages can be really insightful, and always value customer feedback. Track your progress and keep tweaking until your business becomes a well-oiled machine. So let's recap. Here are the 7 steps to start your online business. Find your niche. Choose a business model. Build your brand. Create your website. Set up your sales system, drive traffic, and analyze and improve. If you found this guide helpful, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a deeper dive into any step. Starting an online business is a journey, but if you stay consistent, you'll get there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.